Love cooking? These 6 awesome kitchen gadgets from Amazon will make your life easier and more fun. Let's check them out. This electric griddle offers a spacious cooking surface, making it perfect for preparing meals throughout the day. The multifunction tray adds convenience by keeping food warm, acting as a spatter shield, and even helping with melting and steaming. Its ceramic non-stick surface ensures easy cooking and cleanup, while the Cool Touch base provides added safety. Designed for effortless temperature control, this griddle is a great addition to any kitchen. This baby food maker simplifies mealtime with its all-in-one design, allowing you to steam and blend in a single step. With preset options for different ingredients, it takes the guesswork out of preparing nutritious meals for little ones. The compact design saves space, while the self-cleaning function makes cleanup effortless. Made from safe materials, it ensures healthy food preparation every time. A thoughtful addition to any kitchen, perfect for new parents looking for convenience and reliability. This sleek, sparkling water maker combines style and convenience, offering a quiet and effortless way to enjoy refreshing carbonated drinks at home. Designed for durability, it features a scratch-resistant finish and an improved nozzle for finer bubbles. With no electricity needed, it's easy to use and eco-friendly, helping you save money while reducing waste. A perfect addition to any kitchen, blending function with modern design. This raclette grill brings people together for a fun and interactive dining experience. With a reversible cast iron top, it's perfect for grilling meats, vegetables, and even making crepes. The included non-stick raclette dishes let everyone melt and enjoy their favorite cheeses right at the table. Designed for convenience with adjustable heat control, this grill makes hosting effortless and enjoyable. A great addition to any kitchen and a perfect gift for food lovers. This bamboo steamer makes cooking dumplings, bio buns, and vegetables effortless with its 2-tier design, allowing multiple dishes to steam at once. Made from natural bamboo with a smooth finish, it's lightweight yet durable. The heat-proof handles provide a safe grip, while the reusable silicone liner prevents sticking for easy cleanup. Designed for efficiency, it requires no electricity and delivers perfectly steamed food in no time. A great addition to any kitchen for those who love traditional steaming methods. This compact electric grill is perfect for small kitchens, offering an easy way to cook delicious meals for 1 or 2 people. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, while the adjustable angle helps drain excess fat for healthier cooking. Designed for convenience, it features a space-saving design with vertical storage options. Whether grilling meats or making paninis, this versatile kitchen essential is a great addition to any home.